jovial, jovial, jovial. This word means cheerful and friendly. Let's use jovial in a sentence. She was in a jovial mood. Let's have another example. Jasmine's friends know her most for her jovial spirit. Here is another example. I miss going out with my jovial friends. And our last example is, my children are so jovial. Keen, keen, keen. This word means having or showing an ability to think clearly, very strong and sensitive, highly developed. It also means having or showing eagerness or enthusiasm. Let's use keen in a sentence. Dogs have a keen sense of smell. Let's have another example. Beth is very keen when it comes to predicting the future events. Here's another example. She's very keen to learn about Korean culture. And our last example is, my sister is too keen on that part. Laudable, laudable, laudable. This word means deserving praise and commendation because of your action, idea, or aim. Let's use laudable in a sentence. Such honesty is laudable and rare. Let's have another example. Her work for charity is highly laudable. Here's another example. Her noble ideas and polite behavior are laudable. And our last example is, despite her disabilities, Jenny has achieved some laudable achievements.